The world seems flat. Distances have shrunk. And the furthest of places are a blink of any eye away. In such an interconnected world, an able global transportation and logistics partner can help you make the most of the world economy as you go about your business. Providing an impetus to imports and exports, Seagull Maritime is world's window group's offering to customers with diverse freight forwarding needs. The World's Window Group is a forerunner in the infrastructure and logistics domain, and through Seagull, it is able to extend its award-winning services to customers with inland and overseas needs.
In a short span of time, Seagull Maritime has grown up to become one of the leading forwarding companies in northern India. The company offers international door-to-door forwarding of containers using road, rail, and sea-based transportation methods. Our mission is to provide global connectivity with personalized solutions aimed at the highest level of customer satisfaction.
A part of the World Cargo Alliance, Seagull Maritime is able to handhold its customers and provide the best deals on their chosen route, getting you to your destination the safe, secure, and scalable way. A multimodal service, Seagull Maritime is able to capitalize on World's Window Group's existing transportation and logistics network, be it via road, rail, shipping, or air. Our ocean freights cater to FCL, full container load, LCL, less than container load, and break bulk. Seagull Maritime offers an end-to-end service taking care of the project logistics. Seagull's air freight services operate through a wide network of selected air freight partners that provide worldwide coverage to customers, anywhere, anytime. Through its extensive network of alliances, Seagull Maritime is able to leverage the best options at competitive costs, as well as customize as per the needs and production schedules of each of its clients. Seagull Maritime is the perfect choice for a hassle-free transportation experience. Our representatives take care of all your documentation and shipment transfer related needs every step of the way. In addition to this, Seagull provides a full e-track service to all its clients, helping them to keep a track of all consignments for regular updation. Seagull also provides buyers consolidation services to overseas partners and customers at all major ports in India. The services comprise vendor management services, PO management, vendor follow-up, customs clearance, shipment planning and execution, documentation, packaging and palletization, and deconsolidation. Seagull Maritime is indeed proud to be its customers' window to the vistas of the world and the best in Indian logistics and transportation. Its team of dedicated professionals and cargo management experts will always strive to be best in class and best in the business.